See, my question is, it is an area where the earth is covered mainly by large number of trees. Okay, it is an area where the earth is covered by a large number of trees. Now, what will be the suitable word here, which can be used? If we are saying this is an area where a large number of trees are present, so the most suitable word will be, is an area on the earth where earth is covered mainly by large number of trees. Yes, what will be the answer? No, Arpitras, not water. We are talking about area. Yes, anyone? Forest. Very good. Yes, forest is the correct answer. Keep your video on why you are okay. So the correct word will be the forest. It is an area where the earth is covered mainly by large number of trees. ये एक ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ की अर्थ जो है लार्ज नंबर ऑफ ट्री से कवर अप रहता है, जहाँ की अर्थ पे लार्ज नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, उसको हम लोग कहते हैं फॉरेस्ट. Now second question, forest generally develops in an area where there is an annual rainfall of at least, yes, now answer from you people side. Forest develops in an, now listen to the question carefully. Forest is an area, okay, forest generally develops in an area where there is annual rainfall of at least, what will be the suitable answer? Tell me the suitable answer. Forest generally developed in an area where there is, yes, where there is annual rainfall of at least, कितना annual rainfall होना चाहिए? 200 millimeter. Very good. Yes, 200 millimeter is the correct answer. Now, next question. Keep your video on. Trees help in checking global warming by absorbing. Yes, the most suitable word will be, tree helps in checking global warming by absorbing. What will be the most suitable word?
एक बार और बोलिए.
Trees help in checking global warming by absorbing. Tree जो है global warming, carbon dioxide. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, correct answer. Tree help in checking global warming by absorbing carbon dioxide. Trees जो है carbon dioxide को ले लेते हैं और इस तरह से वो global warming को जो है वो check करते हैं. Otherwise क्या होगा? If CO2 will increase, then there will be global warming. Okay. Next one. Which leaf is known as green gold of Odisha? Which leaf is known as, yes, green gold of Odisha? किस leaf को green gold of Odisha कहते हैं? Can you tell me? Which leaf is known as green gold of Odisha? Yes. Tendu leaves. Very good. Yes. Tendu leaves is the correct answer. And this is a special leaf which is used for wrapping purpose. ये जो है special तरह का leaf है, tendu leaves जो है, that is used for wrapping purpose. Wrapping करने के लिए इसको use किया जाता है. Very good. Yes, you people are correctly answering. बिल्कुल correct answer दे रहे हो. So now next question is, dash and dash are products obtained from the forest. Yes, two blanks are there. Any two products you can name which we people.
And powdered.
Yes, very good. Any two product we can name. कोई भी दो products का नाम लिख सकते हैं. Yes, very good. Falak chapter 3. So next one is, next question is, the Forest Conservation Act was enacted by Indian Parliament in, you have to tell me the year. Yes, the Forest Conservation Act was enacted by Indian government in, you have to tell me the year. Anyone?
1980.
Yes. Tell me when this act was enacted. कब ये act जो है
1980. 1980.
19? 80. That is the correct answer. Very good. Very good. You people are answering it correctly. Very good. Yes, 1980 is the correct answer. Okay. Now next one. This is a national park which is famous for Asiatic lion. Yes.
Gir National Park.
Gir National Park. Very good. बिल्कुल करेक्ट आंसर है. दैट इज गिर नेशनल पार्क. इट इज फेमस फॉर एशियाटिक लायन. वो एशियाटिक लायन के लिए फेमस है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. व्हाई भरतपुर बर्ड सेंचुरी इज फेमस इन राजस्थान? व्हाई भरतपुर बर्ड सेंचुरी इज फेमस इन राजस्थान? क्यों भरतपुर बर्ड सेंचुरी जो है फेमस है राजस्थान में? It is the largest, no doubt, it is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia, but why it is famous? It is the largest one, but why it is famous? Tell me. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan. Because of the, not only this sanctuary is the largest one, but this is the place where many, what kind of birds visit? Yes. कौन सी birds यहाँ आती हैं? क्यों famous है? Anyone tell me? You people are only 5. Quickly tell me. For what kind of birds? No doubt many birds are there, but mostly migratory birds also visit. Okay. Migratory birds भी यहाँ visit करते हैं. That's why this sanctuary is famous. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. It is the largest sanctuary and many migratory birds. Now, do you know that? Yes. Do you know the meaning of the term migration? Migration. Migratory birds क्यों कह रहे हैं? Why we are talking about migratory birds? Why the word migrate? Yes. Do you know the meaning of migratory bird?
Migratory birds are those which birds are move one place to another.
Yes,
Migratory birds are those that migrate one place to another.
Okay, see, birds, migratory birds are those birds which visit some another place when the place where they are living, the climatic condition of that place get worse. Migratory bird पता है किसको कहते हैं? वो bird जो दूसरे जगहों से उड़ के आते हैं इंडिया में. ठीक है? Yes, you tell me, Mahila Imam, you tell me, what do you want to say? Yes. Maliha, tell me, what do you want to say? See, migratory birds are that type of birds. What they do, they come from that type of places which are very far from the, when we are talking about Bharatpur Sanctuary, so in Bharatpur Sanctuary, they visit that place from far away. Means where the place where they are living, if the climatic condition of that place get worse, then what they do, they leave the place and move to some other place where the conditions are suitable. देखो माइग्रेटरी बर्ड में एक एग्जांपल साइबेरियन क्रेन का दिया हुआ है. तो साइबेरियन क्रेन जो है वो क्या करता है, वो साइबेरिया से उड़ के इंडिया में आता है. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां का क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन जो है वर्स्ट हो जाता है. इतना ज्यादा टेम्परेचर फॉल होता है कि वो एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाता, तो उस प्लेस को छोड़ के वो दूसरे जगह आता है और जब टेम्परेचर सुटेबल हो जाता है तो वो वापस चला जाता है. ठीक है? तो migratory birds are that type of birds. So here we are talking about Bharatpur Sanctuary. So there in this sanctuary also many migratory birds visit this sanctuary. That's why it is famous. ये जो है famous है क्योंकि ये largest bird sanctuary है. ठीक है? Now next question is, a dash is a reserved where bird and animal are protected from hunting. and there no human activity is allowed. कौन सा प्लेस है जहां बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स को प्रोटेक्शन मिलता है फ्रॉम हंटिंग? यस, टेल मी. इट इज अ प्लेस where it is a reserved area where birds and animals are protected from hunting. Now tell me, birds and animals are protected from hunting. It is a place. Can you name the place? It is directly, yes. Tell me. It is a reserved area in which birds and animals are protected from hunting. It means no human activity is allowed in that place. It is strictly prohibited. Tell me, what will be the correct word? Do you know about national park or sanctuary? क्या तुम लोगों को नेशनल पार्क या सेंचुरी के बारे में पता है? I think you all know. Now, what is the difference between national park and sanctuary? When I am saying that no human activity is allowed, it means that reserved area is a national park. Okay, जहाँ कोई भी human activity allowed नहीं है, वो जो reserved area होगा वो कौन सा area होगा? It is a national park. But if to some extent, if a human activity is allowed, then we call it as wildlife sanctuary. That is also for the protection of birds and animals. Okay, so that is the difference between national park and sanctuary. Now, next question is, what are the harmful effects of deforestation? Yes, anyone? What are the harmful effects of deforestation? Yes. Tell me.
Decrease in rainfall in the surrounding area, increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere can increase global warming, decrease in the level of groundwater in the nearby areas, increase in soil erosion that can cause more frequent floods. They can result in various directions.
Yes, very good. See, when we are talking about the harmful effect of deforestation, we can simply say that decrease in the rainfall, okay, increase in amount of harmful gas like carbon dioxide, then decrease in the level of groundwater, or we can say increase in soil erosion, then destruction of the habitats of animals. Okay, in a simple way, if we want, we are going to tell the answer of this question, that what are the effects of deforestation? You simply say deforestation will decrease the rainfall. It is going to increase the amount of harmful gases. It is going to lower the underground water, okay, the level of groundwater. It is increasing soil erosion, and it is also responsible for destruction of habitat of animals and plants. Okay, very good. So, correctly you have answered it. Okay, now next one. What is the reason why human are cutting trees? What is the reason for the deforestation, means large scale cutting of trees? What is the reason behind it? Yes, anyone? Tell me.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What is the reason why human are we can say cutting trees, or why human are responsible for destruction of forest? Why human are damaging the forest? Why deforestation is taking place on large scale?
For
Yes,
animal skins and trees for making furniture.
any more points? Why humans are cutting trees on large scale? What is the reason behind the destruction of forest?
Need wood or construction, need some trees for a species use which they cut without planting more of them.
Yes, very good. See,
More
need
land.
more land to make houses, industries, and for agriculture. For agriculture purpose, to build houses or to build railway tracks, people are clearing the forest. Okay, for establishing industries, industries को establish करने के लिए या फिर agricultural land को बढ़ाने के लिए, to increase the agricultural land, or simply to establish the industries, they are destroying the forest. Then need wood for construction. Construction purpose के लिए wood चाहिए, जिसके लिए वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, forest को damage कर रहे हैं. Need some tree for specific use. कुछ खास पेड़ों की जरूरत पड़ती है, कुछ खास specific use के लिए, ठीक है, कुछ खास purpose के लिए, और इसके लिए क्या करते हैं लोग, they are destroying the forest. We can, in one sentence, if we want to see, what we are going to say, to fulfill the selfish need, human are destroying forest. Okay, to fulfill their needs, the humans are destroying the forest. Am I right or wrong? Tell me.
Right.
Yes. क्यों फॉरेस्ट को डैमेज कर रहे हैं, अपने नीड्स को पूरा करने के लिए, विदाउट थिंकिंग अबाउट द एनवायरमेंट और अदर थिंग, पीपल आर डिस्ट्रॉइंग द फॉरेस्ट. सो दैट इज द मेन रीजन फॉर डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अगला जो क्वेश्चन है वो है, द फॉरेस्ट इज द अर्थ्स एयर प्यूरिफायर. टेल मी, जस्टिफाई इट. हाउ द फॉरेस्ट इज अर्थ्स एयर प्यूरिफायर. क्यों हम लोग फॉरेस्ट को अर्थ एयर प्यूरिफायर कहते हैं? Yes.
South forest contains more trees, and trees help in purifying air.
Yes, we are calling earth as an air forest as an air purifier. Why?
Because they absorb carbon dioxide from the air and give us oxygen, and maintain
the balance between carbon dioxide and oxygen. Very good, Ritika Sinha. Very good. She is correctly answering it. Very good. बहुत अच्छे से रितिका ने conserve forest. What one can do to conserve forest? We can also contribute in forest conservation. How? Tell me. How we can conserve the forest? कैसे हम लोग फॉरेस्ट को कंजर्व कर सकते? Yes, anyone?
conserve करना.
Tell me how we can contribute towards forest conservation. कैसे हम लोग फॉरेस्ट को कंजर्व कर सकते हैं? Means we people are contributing in forest conservation. Yes. Aditya Raj, tell me how we can contribute towards forest conservation. Yes. Anyone? Arpit Raj, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. अर्पित बोलो, कैसे हम लोग कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन में?
Need more land to make.
Tell me, Arpit Raj.
Forest conservation.
Yes, how we can contribute towards forest conservation? कैसे फॉरेस्ट को कंजर्व करेंगे, बचा सकते हैं? मतलब हम लोग फॉरेस्ट को बचाने में कैसे योगदान दे सकते हैं? What we can do to conserve forest, to protect the forest? What is our role to protect the forest? What we can do? How we can contribute? That is my question. Yes, Arpit. Arpit or Aditya Raj, tell me the answer. I need the answer from boys. Yes.
Ever repeat कीजिए question.
Question is what we can do to contribute towards forest conservation.
मैं बता रहा हूँ by products that promote the destruction
Yes, Arpit, tell me. Okay, now girls, anyone? His sound is not clear. Girls, anyone?
by not using products that promote destruction of forest. Many people buy food obtained from animal ornaments made of elephant tusk, etc. This
Yes,
should not be done as it leads to killing of wild animals.
okay, see, very good. Indeed, you tried. See, what we can do to contribute towards forest conservation. हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, कैसे forest को conserve कर सकते हैं? तो here the first point is simply we should minimize the use of wood and wooden product. हम लोग लकड़ी के सामान का या लकड़ी का कम यूज करेंगे, वुडन प्रोडक्ट्स को कम इस्तेमाल में लाएंगे ताकि पेड़ों को बचा सके. अगर हम लोग वुड का सामान कम यूज किए, वुडन प्रोडक्ट्स को कम यूज किए, तो फॉरेस्ट नहीं कटेंगे. ठीक है, उसके जगह हम लोग कुछ अल्टरनेट्स ढूंढ सकते हैं जिसको हम लोग यूज करें. यस,
बैम्बू यूज कर सकते हैं.
yes, so we should minimize the use of wood and wooden product. That is the first point. Second one, we should not use that type of product which is made by using the we can say animals part. Okay, जैसे कि एनिमल एलिफेंट के टस्क से बना हुआ अगर ऑर्नामेंट्स हैं या कुछ स्टैचूज हैं, तो उसको हम लोग बिल्कुल ना खरीदे. आइवरी का यूज होता है स्टैचू बनाने में, तो हम लोग अगर एनिमल प्रोडक्ट से बना हुआ सामान है तो उसको हम लोग बिल्कुल नहीं यूज करें. अगर हम लोग नहीं यूज करेंगे तो अपने आप जो है वो चेक हो जाएगा, उनका किलिंग जो है रुक जाएगा. ठीक है, सो it should lead in the protection of the wild animal. So we should not use the products which are made by we can say we should not use animal products, okay, by killing animals. If the things are taken from their body and then by using that thing, if something is prepared, we should avoid the use of that type of thing. वो वैसी चीजों को हम लोग बिल्कुल नहीं यूज करें जो एनिमल से बना हुआ हो, एनिमल के पार्ट से बना हुआ हो, बॉडी पार्ट्स. ठीक है, तो अपने आप ये मिनिमाइज हो जाएगा. And for creating awareness, we should plant more and more trees. We should celebrate Van Mahotsav, and we should inspire the people not to cut trees. We should tell the people about the importance of trees. ये सब हम लोग कर सकते हैं ना? ये सब हम लोग कर सकते हैं. What we should do? We plant more and more trees. ज्यादा से ज्यादा पेड़ों को लगाएंगे. ठीक है? And what we will do? We will celebrate Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav को celebrate करेंगे so that it will create awareness among the people. वो awareness create करेगा लोगों में, लोग जागरूक होंगे तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा पेड़ पौधों को लगाएंगे. ठीक है, तो ये सब काम हम लोग कर सकते हैं. अच्छा, अब now tell me the sentences which I am saying from this lesson, whether that sentence is true or false. अब हम लोग ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन ट्रू और फॉल्स में आते हैं. तो सम सेंटेंसेस आई एम टेलिंग यू, टेल मी वेदर इट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स. ओके, द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, deforestation lead to increase in rainfall in the surrounding area. Deforestation leads to increase in rainfall in the surrounding area. Yes, is it true or false? Deforestation lead to increase in rainfall, I am saying. True है कि false है बताओ. Anyone tell me whether it is true or false? Whether deforestation lead to increase in rainfall? Yes, anyone tell me? Students, you are hearing me? क्या तुम्हें मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Okay. So what will be the answer? Tell me. Deforestation lead to increase in rainfall. Whether it is true or false. It will increase or decrease in rain. क्या होगा आंसर बताओ? Deforestation. Yes. Deforestation lead to decrease in rainfall in the surrounding area. That will be correct one. Here the increase is given. That's why it is not correct. Now a national park. Now listen the second one. Bamboo is used for making baskets. Is it true or false? Bamboo is used for making baskets.
True.
True. Very good. Yes. That is the correct answer. Next one. Van Mahotsav is a festival celebrated by growing of plants. Van Mahotsav is true. Yes. Now the last one. Forests develop at a place where the average temperature is greater than 50 degrees Celsius. Whether it is true or false, forests develop at a place where the average temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. Tell me whether it is true or false.
No.
False. Yes. What will be the correct answer?
False.
What will be the correct answer? कितना टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए फॉरेस्ट को डेवलप करने के लिए?
10 degrees. 10 degrees Celsius.
It will be greater than. Yes, it will be greater than.
Ma'am, 200.
Not.
Ma'am,
I am asking
200.
about temperature. It will be greater than. Do you know the answer? It will be greater than 10 degrees Celsius. 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस से ज्यादा अगर होगा टेम्परेचर, ठीक है, तो ही वहां जो है एवरेज टेम्परेचर जो है 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस से ज्यादा होगा, तो ही फॉरेस्ट जो है वो डेवलप होगा. ओके, now tell me the example of some products which we are going to obtain from forest. Yes, many products which we people get from the forest. Now tell me the name of the products. Anyone can tell?
Food for medicine and spices, gums, resins, and dyes, especially
Medicine for
bamboo
medicine for